Today we have Devansh with us again, who's going to talk about compounds related having oxygen in them, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so Devansh, tell me, what are we going to study in oxygen?
First of all, oxygen containing compound is a very vast topic, and in this I've divided it into two subsections. The first one which we are going to deal is alcohols, phenols and ethers.
Alcohol, phenol and ether.
Ether.
And which is the second section?
Second contains aldehyde and ketones and carboxylic acid.
Alright, so we're not looking at those three, we're
Yeah.
only looking at alcohol, phenol and ether. So let's start with ether. What is ether and how do we know ether?
Ether's molecular formula is ROR, and they are mostly used in all the chemical reactions as a solvent.
As a solvent, and they are in the form of ROR. Why are they normally used as a solvent?
Because they are inert. They don't usually participate in
They are
reactions.
inert.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's why they're used in solvents, so that they don't hinder into any of the other reactions.
Any
Alright.
other reactions.
That's a good point. Okay, and what about alcohol and phenol?
Alcohol is basically used in all the industries like perfume, then soap making, and industries like paints, etc.
Paints and everything. Okay, so that's where we use alcohol and phenol. Now tell me, from JE point of view, how important is this chapter, and what should students make a note of when they're watching your questions and further theory?
I think so. This chapter is quite important because a lot of weightage is given to this chapter, and the main point is that they should focus on mechanism and not just go on rote learning, because if they know the mechanism once, they can crack any question.
So that's a very important point. Most of the times people go for rote learning in chemistry, they try to remember the reactions, but what Devansh is trying to say here is that he has stressed a lot on the mechanism of reactions, which you should understand, and then later it will be very easy for you to predict what kind of products would come out in a particular reaction, looking at in what situation that reaction is taking place.
Because in JE Advanced, everybody knows that it's a surprise, and for tackling the best surprise is by going the basics.
Alright.
And not just rote learning.
Alright, on that note, let's unveil our surprise of your lesson to the students.
Yeah.
Right, Devansh? Okay, so let's get on to solving the questions and theory on oxygen related compounds. The first part of it, which contains
Alcohols,
alcohol,
phenols,
phenol
and
and ether. Alright, so let's start with that.